Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamun Cheesecake. First, let's prepare the crust. You'll need 1½ cups of crushed digestive biscuits and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Then, press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Make sure it's evenly distributed and compact. Place the pan in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. This helps the crust set beautifully before adding the filling. Next, we'll create the vibrant jamun puree and the creamy filling. Start by pitting about 2 cups of fresh jamuns, then blend them until you have a perfectly smooth puree. In a separate bowl, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Gently fold in 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and your prepared jamun puree. Mix just until combined, avoiding overmixing to keep the texture smooth. Now it's time to bake our delicious cheesecake. Carefully pour the jamun cheesecake filling into your chilled crust, smoothing the top with a spatula. Place the springform pan into a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still has a slight jiggle. Once baked, turn off the oven, crack the door and let it cool gradually. Then, chill for at least 4 hours or ideally, overnight. Finally, let's prepare your jamun cheesecake for serving. Once thoroughly chilled, carefully remove the cheesecake from the springform pan. You can garnish it with fresh jamuns, a few mint leaves, or even a simple jamun glaze for extra flair. Slice with a warm, sharp knife for clean cuts. This delightful dessert is perfect for any occasion. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade jamun cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.